Guys, I'm doing another review for this Airsoft gun, so let's get started. Alright, so this will be, I'm gonna put this camera on top of my head, and then you'll see the light I'm seeing. Let's get started. Make sure it's empty. None left. So that's the end of the video, guys. I'm gonna probably make more videos about this gun. It's an overall good gun, and I'm planning to get an M4 M16 replica airsoft gun, semi-automatic and full automatic. And I'm planning to do a review on that soon, probably 3 months or so right now, maybe 4 months. So, tell me what you think of my new intro and outros. So, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment.